Daisy the Firecow by Viki Woodworth. Daisy stood back from the herd and frowned at the other cows.
How can they be so content?
She wondered.
Just swatting flies and taking up pasture like day after day. Don't they know there's a huge world out there? Big teeming cities? Excitement, adventure. I want to see it all.
That very day, Daisy left the field. She hoofed along the dusty road until she came to a town.
So this is it?
She thought.
The big city?
Daisy took it all in. Her brown eyes opened wide. She arrived at a big brick building. On the wall was a sign that read,
Needed immediately. Fire station mascot. Are you looking for excitement?
Why, yes, I am.
thought Daisy.
Are you willing to work long, dangerous hours to save lives?
Oh, yes.
thought Daisy.
Are you a Dalmatian?
Oh, well, no, but
Daisy looked at herself.
I do have black spots, and I do want the job.
She knocked on the door. Yes? asked the firefighter. Daisy pointed to the sign. We're looking for a Dalmatian, the firefighter said. Daisy pointed to her spots, smiling hopefully. Just then the chief walked by.
What is that cow doing here?
He roared. She wants to be our mascot, said the firefighter.
She what?
Yelled the chief. Daisy's big brown eyes filled with tears. Well, sir, said the firefighter, a Dalmatian hasn't applied to the job yet, and, she does have black spots.
Black spots?
Thundered the chief.
She's a cow.
But he stormed away and added,
As soon as a Dalmatian shows up, the cow goes.
The firefighter smiled at Daisy. You've got the job, he said, at least for now. So Daisy settled in as a temporary fire station mascot. The first day she learned how to get into a firefighter suit and how to play checkers.
Cow playing checkers,
muttered the chief. The next day, Daisy and the firefighter rolled out the old fire engine to wash and polish it. As Daisy scrubbed and buffed, she thought,
How exciting! What a lucky cow I am.
said the chief. The day after that, Daisy helped the firefighter unwind the long hose and test it. Then she practiced sliding down the fire pole.
Moo-wee! This is the life for me.
She thought,
This is too much,
said the chief. The fire phone rang. The chief answered it.
Fire? Russell's barn? We'll be right there.
They zoomed away in the fire truck with Daisy hanging onto the side.
This is my big chance.
She thought as the wind stung her eyes. Russell's barn was all ablaze. Mr. Russell shouted,
I'm going back for my calf. He's too scared to come out. No,
ordered the chief.
That beam's about to fall. It's too dangerous.
Ma!
The baby calf cried. Daisy had to do something.
He's right behind that wall.
She thought. She gave the board a hefty kick. Crunch. Daisy peered through the hole. The baby calf was huddled in the corner.
Moo! Moo! Moo!
cried Daisy. The calf came right to Daisy. The others ran over just as she was pulling the calf through the hole. Daisy! They cheered. You saved the calf! Oh, thank you, said Mr. Russell gratefully. The chief grunted.
We still have work to do.
They all worked very hard to put out the fire. Daisy was magnificent. When the fire engine pulled up to the station, there was a big Dalmatian reading the mascot wanted sign.
Oh no!
Thought Daisy.
This is it. No more adventure. No more fighting fires. If they hire that Dalmatian, my career's over.
The chief marched right up to the big Dalmatian. Then he pulled down the sign.
Sorry, fella.
He said,
This fire station has found its mascot.
The end. Hey, that was Ricky.
And Squishy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. Whee!